And we are at it again for the third time in a row.
Skip it up and down up.
Hey everyone, how's it going? This is Trackmaniamatt here. Welcome to yet another unboxing video. Yes, I got more stuff. You guys are probably wondering, how the heck am I affording this? It's hard to explain, but let's start with this small one right here. I'm actually not even sure what some of these are. To keep the personal information of myself and others secure, I have Sharpied out the addresses of both myself and the seller of the people that I got these from. So, yeah, let's see what we got in this first one. Oh wait, this is a certain box that I have to... I just realized it's taped on all sides. Well, I'm going to need a thumbtack for part of this too. Alright. And let's see what we got. If you hear stuff in the background, that's just because I'm right by my window, but it's closed, but you could still kind of hear stuff, so yeah. Oh, wow. Okay. We have a Hit Toy Company tar tanker. I saw it says Hit Toys at the bottom. This was made, if I could find a date, 2006. So we have a 2006 Hit Toy Company tar tanker. And we have another Hit Toy Company product. This is the Sodor fuel tanker. And this, let me see if I could find a date on this. Also 2006. It's really hard to see, but it's like right under the wheel. But yeah, no, we have two Hit Toy Company tankers. That is awesome. So, yeah, let me... I have a garbage bag next to me just because I know there's going to be a lot of garbage from all these unboxings. Now, this one is kind of small. This one is pretty small. I don't know what this one is, so I might just have to use the thumbtack for this one. Oh! Ah! Would you look at that? It's the Plarail Kevin that came with the Blue Mountain Mystery Pack with the yellow Victor. Oh, that's so cool. Free rolls pretty nicely. So yeah, these first two really small boxes had the Hit Toy Company tar tanker, the Hit Toy Company soda fuel tanker, and the Plarail Kevin. Let's move on to the third box, which is a slightly bigger. And, yeah, let's go. You could see this box is a little bigger, so I'm just gonna put the camera down here. And we are going to open it up and see what's inside. Oh, no way. No freaking way. I never thought I would see this product in my own hands. It is the Flip Face Hit Toy Company TrackMaster Toby. It's being a little weird, but still good enough. Oh, this is so cool. Now, the seller that I got this from did mention in the description, I will show a shot of what it read, that this is not the original battery car that came with the Flip Face Toby. It was modified to use this car, which is actually from the Fisher-Price Mattel Talking Toby, also TrackMaster. But it has the coal cover from, I believe, Percy, because I know Thomas has the stone and Percy has the coal. Yeah, it's from Percy. So it's the van from Toby with the coal cover from Percy, which honestly looks interesting if you think about it, but it would look better if it was the actual roof piece from the van that Toby came with. But let's see if he runs. Oh, yes, he runs. Sorry about that. My phone just went off. I'm going to have to stick that on vibrate. But yeah, so we have the Flip Face Toby. I plan on doing a separate video on Toby himself. So yeah, that's the Flip Face Toby. That's the third box, because we did the two small ones, and I already showed that. So let's show what we have all together so far. Oop, hang on, my camera almost went off the edge here. Ah! Okay, so we have the Flip Face Toby, the Plarail Kevin, the Hit Toys Tar Tanker, and the Hit Toys Soda Fuel Tanker. So, now we are going to move on to the largest box in this video, and I will show you guys what that looks like in just a minute. So, let's see it. When I said this was a big box, I was not kidding. This has some awesome gems in this, from what I know, so let's start. I'm not going to be putting the box on the thing. I'll be taking stuff out as I go, just because that's going to take up all the room on there. So, yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I opened up the box, and already we have some gems. Oh, man. We have some gems. We have the breakdown crane. Oh, yes, sir. And this is from 2002, TOMY. So we have the breakdown crane, which is absolutely epic. We also have the unpowered Rocky from the Percy and Rocky pack. I already have Rocky, but I don't know what I'm going to do with this spare. I may give it to a friend of mine. I'm not sure yet, but the only reason why I'm saying I'm not sure is because he's missing one of his pistons. And yeah, I really don't know where to get a second piston. So yeah, I'm really not sure about Rocky yet, but we'll figure that out at some point. And this was made in 2006. So yeah, we have the unpowered Rocky. I'm gonna need to do this in a few sections, just because there's a bunch of layers here. I don't know how I'm gonna be able to lay everything up here. But, yeah, so let me rotate these off to the side here. I do want to keep the first layer all in one section. So, the next little bit is there's I don't know what this is. I think this might be Trevor. I think this might be the little Tommy Trevor that comes in the Thomas and the Freight Car set. It is! Wow! Okay, sweet! I actually have one of these already because I got the Tommy Thomas Ultimate set back in 2013 or 14, I believe. Because I believe I used that set when we filmed Season 1, Episode 5 of Tommy TNF, Home Alone Disasters. And that was set up along with Tidmit Sheds, which was more off to the side. So, yeah. And it looks like we have... Oh, you get back here, Trevor. Looks like we have yet another Plarail Kevin. The only difference between this one, it seems, and this one is that the side decals on the inside, where you see Soto Steamworks, if I can get that to focus, the side decals here and the engine are not painted. Well, the side decals are missing here, and then the engine is not painted. Whereas here, it is painted, and the decals are there. So yeah, that's part of the first layer. I'm going to have to move to recording this with my phone or my iPad because my camera is really low on battery, and I do not want to have to wait for it to charge just to record everything. So we're going to move to my phone or my iPad. I haven't decided which one yet, and we will be right back. Okay, we are back, and as I mentioned before, we have Trevor and a second Plarail Kevin. And I showed the differences between both, but I may as well get a more higher quality shot. As you can see, the decals are there, the engine's painted, the windows on the side are painted. But on this one, for some reason, it's not painted, which I don't exactly know why on that particular version. Maybe it's an older version that maybe they started painting it after a certain release, but yeah, it's nice to have both. So we have two Plarail Kevins. May as well keep both of them here just for the heck of it, but keep them more towards the back. The two Kevins, one from the earlier unboxing from the first or second box, and then this Kevin, why did I say it like that? This Kevin from this box. So the second part of the first layer, we have 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3 low loader wagons or log wagons, 1 orange and 2 red. So yeah, we have, come on, stay there. These are gonna roll on me, I know it. I may as well put them sideways, just because I know they're gonna roll on me if I don't. But yeah. Oh, I got some bonuses. Oh, nice. Okay. So, oh, you stay here, Trevor. You little runaway. Alright, so I have some items that I don't remember being pictured in the listing, but have them anyway. We've got the rolling birdie. Let me turn my camera up just a tad. Here we go. We have the rolling birdie. That's awesome. And it's see-through, so you could kind of see the inside of him a little bit. But yeah, the rolling birdie. We also have in here the ringing Gordon in Takoro. which I believe this was made... Okay, this was released in 2014, and on the bottom it says 2014. The eyebrows are kind of coming off, but that's fine. I could always fix those at another time. But yeah, ringing Gordon in Takuro. I have him hidden back there. I may try to find another way to do this to get an upper shot, per se. So let me see if I could... Let me see if I could get this to work. I may need to get my... Oh, wait. I was going to say... I was about to use my camera, but the battery's charging. Ha, ha, ha. Yeah, let me figure out how I'm going to do this. I might need to reposition a couple of things. Alright, so I might move down to the floor, just because I have a lot more space down there, and I could show everything that I've gotten so far all in one shot. So yeah, let's move to the floor, and I'll see you guys there. Okay, we are finally down on the floor, where I will have more room to put everything out in front. I do apologize if the floor area does look like a little bit of a mess, because my room is a mess. But I'll get around to cleaning that eventually. So that's layer 1. Now we are going to get onto layer 2. Wait, actually, no, there's bonus items I still forgot I have to show. Oh, he gave me a little card. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, this is so cool. It says, Dear Trackman5269. That's my eBay username. Thank you for your continued patronage. I would be glad if you like these items too. I hope to see you again, Hiro Haru. Thank you so much. That means so much to me. That really was kind of you to send that. Oh, wow, that's really nice. Alright, so our first item that we have here is, well, actually, besides the ringing birdie and the ringing gourd, the see-through, I can't talk. The see-through rolling birdie and the ringing Gordon. We also have a see-through Annie. We have Beppe. He came with Lorenzo. I actually have Lorenzo. So now I have 2 Beppes. That's kind of cool. A CGI styled Annie, which I believe this is, yeah, this is Tomy. Because Fisher-Price Mattel made a CGI-styled Annie and Clarabelle as well. But, oh, hold on. My camera's going haywire. There we go. Because I'm using my camera to actually lean my phone against it so that it doesn't spill or fall over. Spill? What am I even saying? Don't question me, guys. And we have a see-through Streamlined Annie from the Streamlined Thomas pack. Yes. So those are all of the bonus items. Gonna move all of them together. Let's move... Yeah, that's nice. Okay. So that's what we've opened up so far. Have to toss this stuff out as we go. Oh, heavens to me. There's a lot of stuff in layer 2. Wow. Haha. Some flatbeds. A lot of flatbeds. Oh, man. A total of, it looks like... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 7 flatbeds. Jeez, I didn't think it would come with that many. Oh, man. So the flatbeds, let me put those like that. And my camera fell. Hold on. There we go. Alright, so the flatbeds. And my goodness, what a lot of them. 7 in total. If you guys didn't see me count, there's 7. Next up, we have a little tipper car. I actually don't even know what set this came from. I know there's one that came with the quarry loader piece. So I'm assuming this is also the quarry loader piece, but I could be wrong. Let me put that a little closer. There we go. Two gems that I also thought I would never see in my possession. The troublesome tankers. Yes, I finally have them. Two of them. And ooh, another tar tanker. This one is TOMY. Whoa, I almost dropped it. Yeah, this one is TOMY, made in Thailand. Doesn't look like it has a date, but yeah, another tar tanker. And a total of, I might have to move this back a bit. Yeah, this is going to take a while. Oh, come on. Okay, I had to reposition it again. But yeah, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more Sodor fuel tankers. Man, I didn't think it came with that much. Wow. But yeah, Sodor fuel tankers. Let me move these off to the side. Yeah, these are pretty sweet. Now we get on to the rest of layer 2. I think there's a few layers in here. Oh my goodness lord. Alright, so we have... Ooh! Oh, wow. I've never actually had this style of troublesome truck before. That's nice. I believe there's a couple of those. Yeah, 1, 2. Yeah, 3 of those shock troublesome trucks. And then we have 1, 2, 3 of those laughing trucks. And we have 1, 2. Just dropped off to the side. 3, 4 of the sad face trucks. 1 generic plank wagon. This one doesn't have a face, but it's also TOMY, so that's interesting. It does look like it has some sort of a glue mark on it. I don't know what that's from. But yeah, I have a generic TOMY plank wagon. Not necessarily troublesome, just a regular truck. And then we have 2 without a face. One looks like it's been ripped off, but that's easy because I have plenty of troublesome truck face stickers that I could put a new one on. I might make this another shocked one. And 1 that doesn't have a sticker at all. So this was a troublesome truck, just the face either just came off or it was peeled off. But these 2 I could easily fix because like I said, I have plenty of troublesome truck face stickers. So now I'm going to move off to the side here. I'm going to have to rotate my position again. Move the rubber banding here, or not rubber banding, bubble wrap. I have so much garbage in this bag, it's not even funny. I gotta move some stuff over. Alright, so now we are going to move on to layer 3 of this big box. So we have a CGI troublesome truck. Oh, wow. Oh, that's epic. We have this face. Oh, I think this might be one of the more uncommon troublesome truck faces. But yeah, there's 3 of those. We've got an angry troublesome truck. It's always nice to see. Up, here comes the scruffy overload, is what I'm probably going to call it. 3 brown scruffies, or the ones there after he was rebuilt. And 2 original scruffies, or from his original form before he was pulled apart by Oliver in Toad Stands By. Let me move that in there. Maybe move the camera back just a smidge. There we go. Oh, wow. We have a lot of red troublesome trucks here. 1, 2. Oh, my goodness. 3, 4, 5. Jeez, how many red trucks did this thing come with? 6? 6 red-faced troublesome trucks. Jeez Louise. Holy crap. Okay. 2 green angry troublesome trucks. Same face as before. On the gray one. And yeah, I might have to move this box around some more as well. I think there's more stuff in here. We have a generic green plank wagon. Excuse me, I had a kind of a hiccup / burp. I don't know how to describe that. Sorry for the TMI, but it literally just came on all of a sudden. A light green plank wagon. This is also TOMY. I didn't think this truck came in that light shade of a green. Wow. Alright, we have a TOMY slate wagon. And we have another really bright red plank wagon, generic plank wagon. Same thing, but in dark red, or like a maroonish color. Then, this one also has one that has a face ripped off, but it is the sad brown troublesome truck, or frowning brown troublesome truck. And there is 1, 2, 3 of these. As you can see, one of them does have the face ripped off. I will need to fix that, but that's fine. I could easily fix that. I'm going to need to move this back a bit. Because I'm running out of room in this section here. There we go. And we also have... Oh wow, I never owned these. The trucks that came with Diesel 10. I actually never owned these because I got my Diesel 10 after it was the TrackMaster range, and I got mine with, I think it was just a regular troublesome truck, not these. So these are the TOMY ones. Yeah. So of the TOMY ones, of the sad face, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, And of the laughing face, we just have 2. And that is layer 3. Jeez. And there's more in this box coming up. So I, again, have to move myself. I didn't think this was going to have that much. We have one of those cattle wagons. Actually, 2 of them. Let me show you what that looks like. Yes, we have 2 of those. One generic cattle wagon. This is one of those ones that came with James. And we have 1, 2 of those bumpy crate trucks. Oh, that's really cool. I'm going to need to move these back again. And yeah. All right. So now we have, the churning milk wagons. The ones with the milk wagons that wobble. Okay. So we have 2 of the red ones. 2 of the tan ones. Actually, make that 3 of the tan ones. One that has the flag stickers on the side. That's kind of a cool touch. And a blue one. All of them have the milk crates that move around. Up, we are heading back into the scruffy overload again. Oh no. The scruffy overload. 1, 2, 3 scruffies with barrels. Old, new style, when after he was rebuilt. And another one with a different set of barrels. Okay. Let's see, we've got a brown troublesome truck with trees. Oh, we have another Diesel 10 sad face truck. We have a red laughing troublesome truck with a mixed load of apples or fruit, because it looks like apples and oranges, and fish. Then we have another green troublesome truck with just fish. Let me move those closer. Whoa. Let me move those closer together. And we have another green truck with just fish. Same face. Another gray troublesome truck with a mixed load. Trees and logs. And 2 slate wagons with barrels. So yeah, dear Lord, I'm running out of room again. This is how... Oh, and then 1 red troublesome truck with fruit, just fruit. Yeah, I'm running out of room again. I've gotta use another space again. We're gonna have to move over to where the garbage bag is. So we have what looks like, oh dear. We have another one of those streamlined Annies, the see-through Annies. 3 Clarabelles. We've got a... Is this TOMY? Yeah, it's TOMY. TOMY circus van. Two TOMY salt wagons. 1 brown, 1 gray. The TOMY Sodor mail car. Oh, yes. Gotta move this back again. We have the gray brake van. I could finally make a spiteful brake van model. We have 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. And the last piece to this box, finally it's over, is, ready for this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 troublesome vans. And it looks like I have finally made it through all of the layers of that box. Man, that was fun. So, yeah. That's all the layers. And that, my friends, is everything that I have unboxed in this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Season 2, Episode 4 of Tommy TNF is still a work in progress. It will be out when it's done. Take care, you guys, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye now.